turtle. Well, in the previous video, as mentioned, there is something super exciting for you guys, and I am here to tell you as to who I am and what do I offer the kids, parents and the little ones who are very keen in learning. As you all know, because of the pandemic, a lot of us have missed going to school, which is really sad. But that's okay. I'm here and I have got you fully covered. So let's begin the video. Hi guys, I am Ekta Hinduja and a big warm welcome to my channel. First of all, as you all know, I had said in my previous video that I have something really exciting for you guys, and I am here. As you can see, I'm like superbly smiling and I'm super happy because this particular product has won my heart for various reasons, which I'm going to share it with you guys. So let's begin with the video, and as you have met, he is Mr. Purple Turtle, and if you're interested in buying him, then you can visit the website and you can buy it. I'm going to share all the details. I'm going to be putting all the description link so that you just have to click and then you can purchase it for your little ones. So what is Purple Turtle? What does it offer you? What all activities do you have for your little ones? What books you can buy? What goodies you can buy for your little ones, and how they function and what do they do. So I am here to let you all know who this little guy is. So what is Purple Turtle? Purple Turtle is a preschool program which has online classes for your little ones, and they have various activities involved. So what age criteria does it have? It has from ages 2 to 6, and the topics they cover is English, Hindi, Maths, EVS, and these are the topics which are very basic and which are very important for us as parents to make sure that our children are learning. As you all know, due to pandemic, a lot of kids we were not able to enroll them in school. So Purple Turtle initially was a brand which distributed books, but then now they are into a full-fledged preschool program, which is super and amazing for reasons like they have live sessions for your child. If a child has missed the class, then you have pre-recorded videos for that, and the child goes into a proper batch. You will be added to a WhatsApp group, and they will be giving you a link wherein the child can use the link and visit the school, and the attendance is also marked. So say for example, your child has not attended this particular class for the day for reasons like not feeling well, you're traveling, or for reasons that you have not woken up on time. So not to worry, the pre-recorded videos are always available for you so that you can see that. Now what is more interesting is the fact that they have different packages, which I am going to share it with you guys. Now what happens is these live sessions have a certain batch of kids, and like how a school happens, you know, like my son is in a proper school and there are about 25 to 30 kids in the class, and they have been, you know, the teacher asks them the questions. So the same thing happens in Purple Turtle, where the teacher is asking them a question and the child has to unmute themselves and they have to answer the question. So it's like a one-to-one session, like an exam for them, only so that we get to know as parents that A, they are learning properly, B, the teacher is also aware that okay, whatever I have taught, the child is able to understand. So these are the things. Now what do you get in a Purple Turtle box? As mentioned, the Purple Turtle has various activity boxes, and they have some amazing plans which suits your need. Now what happens, now when I spoke to the team, now my query was, I'm sure everybody is going to love Purple Turtle. Now what happens is, like, you purchase the particular plan but you want to upgrade yourself to a plan later on, you can do that. So I am going to be sharing what are the plans. So we have different plans, that is, I'm going to be sharing the entire recording out here as to you to see the classes, the plans they have. So as you see here, there is a bronze, silver, gold, platinum and platinum plus. So here the classes batch is different, and the books are different. In some packages you will get a toy, and so on and so forth. So I suggest that you first visit their website, get a demo class for your child, and then you can choose what plan is going to suit for you. What you get in a Purple Turtle box is curriculum books, Then you also get worksheet, coloring pages. They also have videos where they show you how to learn to draw, which I find it very challenging, as to, you know, not many kids are interested in drawing. So these videos are very interactive, they are very lively, they are very amazing. I have used it myself personally for my son, and I'm going to be I'll share a clipping of how he was so engrossed with the storytelling the Purple Turtle videos have. Now the most important thing for a parent is to see, okay, she's talking about Purple Turtle, but how do I know what is exactly Purple Turtle? Now they offer you a free demo class. Now the demo class that they are giving you is not a class wherein they have structured something ki okay, हम parents को यही दिखाएंगे and they will get so attracted and they will join this. No, Purple Turtle is offering your demo class in one of their live sessions wherein the parent can actually see what they are doing in the live session, how the teacher is talking, what is she talking, and what are they teaching. For me, when I first logged into the website, they have amazing graphics for the little one. The teacher who is teaching also is so very well versed with her vocabulary. She takes time, she takes you know, the way to explain it to a child, which I found it to be very relevant, because we cannot be very fast with our kids. We want them to understand the concept and not rush with it. So that's something amazingly what I thought. And they have these amazing goodies like the soft toy, they have a bag, they have books, they have coloring books, and a lot of various things on the website. I'm going to show you what all I have got in the Purple Turtle box. Now there is something really amazing, is that one superb thing which I'm going to show you guys. Now the reason I'm holding on to myself is because I have not seen something like that, and when I got the package I was like, dude, this is way too cool. Me and my husband like totally hooked onto it, and we really wished we had this as a child, but that's okay. Now we use it with our son, so I'm going to show you that. But before that, I'm going to show you what all is inside the box you are going to get for the packages. Now what I have is a different plan, and these are the things that I have received. So you get these three boxes. So I got a plush toy, which is Mr. Purple Turtle, and then I got these books. I'm going to show you all of it, what is there inside, which came in this blue bag. Then I have the entire kit of graded readers from Purple Turtle. Now I don't show you, but yeah, this is the box I got. And then I got a talking teacher, which is what I'm talking about, and it's this. So these are the boxes I have received, and I'm going to show you in depth and in detail what is. This is the first thing. He's just a cute little soft toy, and he's Mr. Purple Turtle. Then I got this box which is called Purple Turtle, and it's level 1. And what I received in this package were these cards, which I'm going to show you how. And then I got a Purple Turtle 2 animated stories and 10 nursery rhymes. So this is a CD player with music and songs and 2 animated stories for kids. All this is available on their website. When you become a subscriber, when you get it logged into Purple Turtle, you will have all these of them. Then I have received these books for my son, and I'm going to show you one by one what this is. So this is a Purple Turtle Hindi Gyan, which I had mentioned that, you know, right now I want him to learn this language. And this is all the matraएं, which is all the bhasha, this is all the rishi, enak, and all these things they have given out here. Then comes the Purple Turtle Preschool Thinkers, which is this. This is an activity book again for the kids. So this, like you can see, letter sounds, then you have same and different, circle the object. So this book is very interesting, because, you know, so many times now that we all have started traveling to a small weekend getaways, this is a nice book to carry it along with you, because sometimes our kids are so bored now, you don't know what to do with them. So you can just hand them these books, and like a 10-15 minute of time has been consumed in this. So this again is very interesting. Then again is this Purple Turtle's Preschool Thinker. This is term 2. The previous one that I had showed you was term 1, and then this is term 2. In this there is letter recognition, phonic awareness, understanding our world, patterns and sorting, spatial concepts, shapes and colors. So this is again a book of activity. Now in this level 2 they've given you addition, as you can see here, but you know, in a way that the child can understand. Then you have shapes. This is how the entire book is. Then I have a purple turtle, purple and cupcakes. So this is again a storybook. Now these storybooks and all have been written by some amazing Emmy Award winners. So that's not a small thing, that's a very huge thing. So this is a nice storybook given to them, which you can read them at bedtime also. And then they have given these activities, like we have a mask. Then there is a mask of Mr. Purple Turtle. And then there are stickers given to you. So this is again the stickers they have given. So they have given you 3 stickers in total, which the child can put it on their cupboard, on their books, or in their bedroom wardrobe, wherever you like it. So they can do that. And then I have received these worksheets again, which I will show you again. Now the next thing is the Purple Turtle practice book. This is term 1 and this is level 1. So whatever I have got here is everything is level 1. And this is a practice book wherein you have to do these activities. So there is my home, my family, cool circles, tango triangles, more or less, thick and thin. So you know, so many times we as parents wonder, you know, what should we buy, how to make them do. So everything has been covered in this. And again, this is letter writing, which my son is doing right now. And this is really helpful. And you can see the counting, arrange the numbers by counting down, and how to write the numbers, tracing the numbers, letter match. And these are the books for them. Now I'm going to show you what's in this. Now these are the activity sheets that they have given you. So there is count and color, then dot and dot, reverse counting. So I've been given a lot of worksheets to do with my child, and this is what comes inside this box. And the next box which I have just opened is this graded readers, and it comes with this amazing my favorite is the talking pen after Mr. Purple Turtle, because he is damn cute. And I have received 36 story books, and there are 3 different levels, which is level 1, level 2 and level 3. So what I'm saying is, visit the website, check out the plans and pick up these things from the particular plan. And level 1 books are these many. So I guess there are 12 in each set. Then we have the green ones is level 2, as you can see, and then we have the purple ones, which are level 3. Now why they are of different levels is very interesting, because right now our kids are just learning the words, and these are the story books, so level 1, level 2, level 3, for them to learn how to read. Now why this is interesting is the fact that it comes with this excellent product called Graded Readers Talking Pen. Now this is a talking pen which comes with a charger, which comes with a docking station, and it comes, the most important is Mr. Talking Pen, and he is shaped in a dolphin shape, and this is how it looks like. Now why this is interesting for the kids is the fact that, as you see here, it says let's start. Now this needs charging, and I just switch it on the pen. Can you hear? Now that has been switched on. Now before I use this, I have to make sure that, you know, I have charged it really well. And this is something very exciting for kids to learn, because we see so many things available in the market, but this was something really cool and nice. Now I just have to tap it here.
English language training.
It says,
welcome to level 1 of Purple Turtle Graded Readers. A day with Purple Turtle.
so now the dolphin has caught on to the fact that we are starting with the Graded Readers level 1, and it is a day with Purple Turtle, and we are going to start reading the book. Now the book itself will read it for you, but it's not going to read all the pages for you. So I'm here as to how and wow. So it says, now I have to take the pen. It has a sensor inside, and a lot of stories, rhymes have been feeded in this. Now I just have to tap here.
I smell breakfast. I get up.
I smell breakfast. I get up.
I smell breakfast. I get up.
Okay, I smell, and it is reading out for me, which is really amazing, because you know, this gets our children interested in reading, holding a pen and seeing, oh wow, this is so excellent. And I'm going to record the reaction of my son when the first time I gave him the pen. And not only does it read this, but when you see the figures out here, you can see this.
I can smell breakfast. It's time to get up.
Page, as you know, this will read, but this is also cool. Though there is no sound here.
Oh, I need a bath.
Now he's scrubbing himself.
Feels much better.
Not only the graded books you can read this with, you can do this as well. That is, wherever you see a sign which says let's start, all you have to do is you have to make sure that the sensor comes here.
Let's have fun learning with Purple Turtle Preschool Thinkers, Level 1, Term 2.
Term 2. Okay. Now they also have an app which says download Purple Turtle Smart Books app, which is on Google and App Store, and you can scan the pages with Purple Turtle logo, and then you can go ahead. Now as I open the book, the smell of new books.
Capital P.
Capital P.
Capital P. My name starts with a P.
Mine.
I have black and white fur on me. Who am I?
Panda.
My name starts with a P.
So the child has
I
to
have
say
black and white fur on me. Small P.
small p.
Capital Q. With a Q, my name begins. I am the wife of the king. Who am I?
See, this is so interesting for a child to learn, because there is, and you know, sometimes when you're trying to teach your child, the child is either not interested or has had too much for the day. So these are things which interest them. So this is a caterpillar.
I have scratched some numbers off my back. Help me find them. 1, 2,
3,
4, 6, 8.
So as you see, the book itself is so interesting, and with this unique USP that they have is you know, makes your child very attracted to reading and learning more and more. Not only this books, so wherever you see a sign like this, you just have to scan it.
Let's have fun learning with Purple Turtle Preschool Thinkers, Level 1, Term 1.
So then that's this. So now if I go to Hindi,
आओ बच्चों भाषा ज्ञान सीखें पर्पल टर्टल भाषा ज्ञान हिंदी
Eek.
eek,
Imli. Eek. Illi. Imarti. Ilaichi. Eat. 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 Indhan.
now this is a Hindi book. The next box, which is the Talking Teacher pen, it has boxes and it is available in 4 different languages, which is English, Hindi, Marathi and Gujarati. Now when you see this box, it helps the child improve pronunciation, increasing concentration, good learning habits and builds child's confidence. Now what all does it have inside this? They have first words, general knowledge, language, vocabulary, fairy tales, ABC and nursery rhymes. And these are the books that came in that. So now here you see there is no sign for Mr. Purple Turtle. So if I try here, it would not read. So wherever you see a sign is where you have to read. So this is my first words, volume 4, volume 2, volume 3. And these are like 4 volumes of this. Then we have nursery rhymes. Now in nursery, I'm going to show you this. Then we have alphabets and we have first vocabulary. Then we have a storybook of Akbar meets Birbal, The Wicked Witch, Akshar Mala, Andy and his accordion, Cooking the Khichdi, general knowledge and foreign languages. So these are the books that have been covered in Talking Teacher. And as you saw, graded readers, maybe you can use a talking pen. And in the other Purple Turtle box which I showed you, this one also had a lot of activities with which you could use this. And I'm going to show you the foreign language. So they have English, French, German and Russian. Learn and recall everyday words in 4 different languages. Now first things first, You have to just take this pen, scan it.
Hello friends, let's learn languages with the foreign language book.
Let's learn language. And because you know you are teaching at home, so they have like correct pronunciation, word to word translation, listen and learn, and beginner's guide. So as I open this page, they have been divided into different columns, that is English, French, German and Russian. So in English it says, so let's start with the smaller words like hello. So when I say, it says
Hello.
in English,
Bonjour.
bonjour,
Hello.
hello,
Здравствуйте.
wow,
Good morning. Bonjour. Guten Morgen. Доброе утро. Good afternoon. Bon après-midi.
So this is not only for the activities but for a language as well, a language learning skill. So guys, now you know why I was super excited as to show you guys what I wanted to share it with you. As you all saw, this is something really interesting. You can take it with you wherever you're traveling, when you're cooking in the kitchen, when you're busy, or you just want your child to have time to himself or herself. You can just give the books to your child and you can give them this pen with, you know, of course story books, and they are learning themselves, which is, so this is the one important feature of this. This does not come in all the plans, but you can buy this separately as well. What I would always say is go for plans that is you know, accurate and perfect for you. If you're ever confused with the plans, you can always get in touch with the team and they will help you out. Now this talking pen, as I had said, comes with a charger and it comes with a USB cord also. Also it comes with a earphone, so that when the child is doing, or you know, like the grandparents are sleeping and the child is with the grandparent and you've just given the talking pen to a little one, instead of a cell phone, just give them this and plug in the earphones in them and they can listen to it and you are sorted. They are learning. There is no screen time happening, but they are learning at the same time. So I have plugged in to this, and this is a cord that comes the earphones. You just have to plug it in and whatever is happening is you're listening. So this is exciting again when you're flying, when you're sitting in an aircraft and you know the child is doing and the other passengers are not getting disturbed. So you can take it on board the flight, a train, a car, or when you have any gathering or something where you want your child to do something fun, so you can always carry this with you. And now I'm going to switch this off. And it's switched off. It comes with a very nice ending music to it. So guys, I have shared everything about Purple Turtle. I am also going to be posting a video as to how my son is enjoying and how I am enjoying the whole kit. I am available on Instagram. Do DM me for any queries that you have, if you have more queries than what you have asked me in the comment section. And the most exciting part also is that you get a 5% discount if you use a code PP-EKTA. That's Purple Turtle EKTA 05. I'm going to be writing it here and this is the code. So use this code and get a 5% off. Buy this box for your little one and for yourself and you'll be very happy and you will not regret this. The same coupon is also valid for both silver and gold plans. So the website is www.purpleturtle.com. And make sure you use the coupon, make sure you buy this product for your child, and you will see how interesting and so much fun this box is. And you get a lot of things inside it. It's not only about storybooks or reading or writing, it has everything inside, from different language skills to different reader books, and also this. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I have really waited quite some time because I wanted to explore myself, the box fully, and give you the entire information. I'll be posting few reels in terms of about the Purple Turtle and how in day-to-day activity we are doing this. So do follow me on Instagram, that is Hinduja Ekta. Also, if you have friends, family, relatives who have little children who want to know more about activity boxes, do let them know about my YouTube channel, because I post a lot of videos about activity boxes, toys review, basic vlogs with my child, and so on and so forth. Thank you so much again for all the love and support, and I'm going to see you in my next video. So please don't forget to use the coupon code, because 5% is a good discount, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.